Welcome back to Channel 5 News at noon. Well, it's really shaping up to be a very nice day outside. Very Chamber of Commerce-like weather after that chilly start that we had this morning in the mid to lower 40s. Right now in McAllen, we're at 73 degrees. It's exactly what it feels like because we have continued low humidity all across the valley. The winds are relatively calm, but they are going to start to pick up a little bit, not too much out there. Here's a better look at the rest of the valley. It's warmer in Edinburg, right around 76 degrees there. Rio Grande City, you're right around 70 to 71 at this point. Even though the observation point is flickered off, it will come back and I'll show you that temperature again. But 73 in Weslaco to 74 in Raymondville. It's 71 in Harlingen and 73 in Brownsville as well as Port Isabel. So a very nice day out there. And when you look at the First 1.5 satellite, you can see the clouds that were around early this morning have since thinned out even more, and now what clouds you do see are very high cirrus clouds, and they really don't limit the sunshine by much. Zooming out and looking across the state of Texas, you see very clear conditions all the way north, and even going farther north, you see some white up there. And what we're expecting is with the next system to develop and move into the upper Midwest and Central Plains, that there could be some more snow to fall soon, and we could see the icy conditions there just along the Canadian border. Also, you'll notice this big line of clouds kind of moving out over the Atlantic, and that's that cold front. It's still pushing its way east and also southeast through this southern portion of Florida today. So really some colder weather though behind these two particular systems, and you look to the north in Bismarck, it's around 40 degrees there, but you see that dividing line. We're at 57 this afternoon in Hastings, so you see that dividing line. It's a good 17 degrees or so, and even farther back toward the Pacific, there we go, the Pacific Northwest, pretty chilly there in Portland, right around 38. It's 32 in Reno this afternoon and 71 in Los Angeles. So it just depends on whether or not you've been impacted by any of these systems, and along the southeast they really haven't been, although we are starting to see some chillier weather settle into North Florida, northwestern Florida over Jacksonville this afternoon at 58. Miami is still right around 71, and it looks like the southeastern United States mainly in the upper 60s and low 70s for this afternoon. Now we're going to continue to see a warming trend over the next few days. We'll be back to 81 degrees by midweek, and with each day you'll feel the moisture kind of increase a little bit. It's going to be a gradual trend, so nothing really off the wall just yet, but by the middle of the work week you'll notice that it feels a little muggy out there from time to time. And the reason for that are the winds. They're going to continue to shift and become southeast today, staying pretty light at 5 to 10 miles per hour, and overnight they're going to be calm but still out of the southeast in terms of the direction as to where they're going to pick up tomorrow. So notice that there's a little bit of blue tinge here on the map for tomorrow, so we're expecting anywhere between 9 and 18 mile per hour winds. It will be a little bit breezy. It'll continue to pump in the moisture. That southerly flow will stay with us for much of the work week. In fact, it looks like we're only going to see minor changes as we head into the weekend. We'll see increasing cloud cover each afternoon, and that's the telltale sign that the flow is out of the southeast, so we're increasing all that moisture. But 79 degrees there to start the weekend. By Sunday, models are kind of still disagreeing as to when the front will pass by, so we're putting your high at 77 with only a 20% chance for showers. It's really not going to wash anything out by any means, with a lot of the moisture staying well to our north. Along the coast today, there are no advisories, just a light chop on the bay near shore waters between about 1 and 2 feet. Highs, again, we're going to reach the mid to upper 70s inland, staying closer to 70 along the coast. Then later on tonight, it's going to be chilly again, so keep your jackets handy, especially if you're going outdoors. We'll be at 49 degrees tomorrow, but we rebound back to 78. There will be a few clouds in the sky, and the winds are going to pick up a little bit more and gust in the 20 mile per hour range. Now after Tuesday comes Wednesday, and this also comes the 80s. Okay, so we will be back to the 80s by Wednesday, Thursday, and even Friday. We're calling mainly dry conditions, but you could see maybe a few sprinkles on Thursday. As we reach into the weekend, it looks like we're going to be in the upper 70s, again with a 20% chance for a shower. Nothing widespread or heavy at this point, but a few showers can't be ruled out. Overnight lows will gradually get a little bit warmer. We're back to the low to mid 60s by the middle of the work week. That's your updated First 1.5 forecast. Channel 5 News at noon. We'll be right back.